Hey guys, today's video is about the extension of the characteristics of Indian society, divided into many castes. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. These four varnas types caste were formed in the basis of properties and karma. Brahman used to practice religious work, chants, mantras, and studying and teaching knowledge. Kshatriya used to protect the country. Vaishya used to operate commerce and businesses in the country. And Shudras used to serve as these three varnas. Thus, these types of caste and varna system stabilized India and saved it from many hidden and internal dangers. Even in modern era, every caste stable their culture, establishes their culture, keep community united, ensure the work of society based control of prohibition of their members, and provide socially mentally safety and stability. Now comes to the beliefs in traditional values. In India, peop- people practices different religions. These people believe in their traditional values and their religion, whether it is related to religion or their own beliefs. People wants to keep it continue, but now with education and literacy rates getting high, ancient and old religious beliefs and superstitions are now fading, or we could say it is decreasing with times. Beliefs that has, but now new beliefs has not formed yet. Many people still believe in traditional and core values of society. Now come to the next characteristic of Indian society, and that is tolerance and merciful. From ancient era, many religions have always been existing. They always maintained tolerance and merciness among them. These are many specialities: family marriages, rituals, and the circumstances of women in the Indian society. About these things, we have to study deeply details about Indian society value with types of marriages, different type of religions, different type of circumstances are shaping the Indian society. It has already been shaping it. Now come to the next characteristic of Indian society, and that is family value. Group of children, wife and husband is called a family. This is the smallest unit of a society in a Indian society. Giving birth to child, socialization of children, and upbringing and satisfaction are main purpose behind a formation of a family. It is like an organization unit that is based on marriages. Which bases are these marriages? All family members are tied each others with blood relations. Have relation because of marriages. Relation generally families based. Family are generally two types: nuclear family and joint family. Family which they only have husband, wife, and children are called nuclear families. Family which have husband and wife and their children and the children of the children are called joint family. India has been family centered because of industrialization and urbanization. Joint families trend has been fading. It is that it has seen that the concept of joint family has drastically been exceeding. India is mainly farming country. This is one of the farming based country. It is the main region and the factor. The structure of family is based and it is now affected with the factor of globalization and industrialization and modernization. Besides, the Indian families and society limits boundaries and ideologies are traditionally based. None society other than India have this much deepness in their core relationships. Relationship between a father, relationship between a mother, and relationship between husband and wife. Although many differences are in property rights, marriages and are always successful in Indian society. The concept of joint family are deeply rooted in their bloods. That are and the single marriages are universally accepted in India. The spread of relatives are more than husband, wife, and their unmarried children. Many three generation and sometimes more than three generation member are living in one roof. Farming has always been stabilizing the family lives and the family values in Indian society. The main fundamental of a unit that related to production and farming and consumption is based on a farm family. These families giving more priorities to male than females. They are always acting like this from the ancient era. Nuclear marriages are accepted in Indian culture. Member the eldest member of a joint family is generally a leader of the family. He takes decisions that are necessary to be taken. Now come to the next topic. Thank you guys for watching videos. Stay tuned.